So I'll make the camera like this, guys. But you can see what it's the writings here. So look, this is a detox lemon and ginger with burdock root and fennel. So this one is the citron tea. So this is what I'm having tonight. I already put 2 spoons for this, tiny spoons. There you go. So I'm gonna have so here, and then just turn it off. And actually, guys, I'm actually watching some vlogs. This is my me time. So normally, whenever I'm just by myself and I'm at home, and I normally watch some vlogs like Filipina married to foreigners, and most of my watched video are how to make houses, how to save up. Those are the things. The reason why, guys, I'm watching those kind of videos, it's because it's giving me ideas, learnings, and sometimes realization in life, because you know I'm already 35 and I'm turning 36 this year, and I just realized that I'm not getting younger. I'm already at my peak, that I just want to make sure that if something happened, I have savings. I know I should know how to manage my finances. Just worst scenario, because we don't know what will be our life in the future. So yeah, that's why I'm watching videos, something that I could learn. And but yeah, so let's just have a nice tea. So this is my tea. Look at this. So here is my tea. Just a small teaspoon, guys. 2 tablespoons, and then 1 cup of hot water, and then it's done. Look at this. So, sino-sino nga ba, guys, yung mga finalo ko? So, i-share ko sa inyo, guys, kung paano ako natututo actually by watching this vloggers. Marami akong mga natutunan, and i-share ko sa inyo, guys, kung sino-sino sila. And syempre, dahil if you want to learn more, if you want to explore, you want to get some knowledge, ideas, and all that, and even sa finances, so, or getting wise, having a wise decisions, especially if you want to have a house, you want to have a car, you want to, do all those things. So, ito lang naman yung mga fina-follow ko ng mga influencer. So, syempre, siya, guys, actually kilala ko yung girl, and that is April. So, I found their channel while scrolling din dito sa channel ko, dito sa YouTube. And yes, nakikita nyo, ang title niyan is The Grounded Nomads. So, ayan. Nakikita nyo, guys, their title, How We Got a Tiny House for Only 1,400. Yan. So, paano nga ba, especially if you are living in a different country, if you want to be to be in the Philippines. So just follow these channels. And there's another one. I also follow Jessie Mandiola, one of Philippine actress from the Philippines. And I also follow Ellie Oy Decker. And if you also want to if you want to know more about transforming a condo, so she's also one of the influencer that I actually followed and watched. And ito naman is pag gusto ko naman ng mga more on houses sa Philippines, so I follow them. Ayan, the OG, that is OG. So they're actually more featuring houses in the Philippines. Yeah, the stories about how they build houses, like more on Filipino, and how they able to, you know, create or build houses. All right, so that is a channel that I followed as well, and most of my ideas I got it from there. Si Team Blended din, na-follow ko din siya guys, kasi nga more on family, kaya na-enjoy din ako sa kanyang mga vlogs, especially Bisaya din siya guys. And when it comes to cooking naman guys, finalo ko din si Chef RV Manabat. Ayan, na-follow ko din siya kasi nga marami siyang mga coaching or ideas about food, baking, and all that. Kasi yun ang business din niya. And kaya na-follow ko si Chef RV Manabat. And syempre, para madali na lang guys, so ito yung mga finalo ko. So that is my channel. And ito yung mga finalo ko. Si Julie Aginman, bago ko lang siya na-follow. Ayan, si Doc Alvin, Mia Sandoval, Zainab. Ayan, mga more on Nakadom. Ayan, si Lady Gaga, Karen Davila, Jessie Mandiola. Sino may mga Viva Records, Rated Karina, Alex, of course, Alex in London, yung friend natin from Cebu, Chinita Samontina, Team Blended, and yan, at marami pang iba guys. Ang dami kong mga na-follow din dyan. So, ang dami ko kasing yung mga tawag nito, yung bang mga pinapanood. Syempre yung cousin ko, of course, there. Si Aris Fidias, Sir Jade Radelosa, ayan. Chloe Dalton, Alex Gonzaga, Andy Suboholano, ayan. Sino pa ba yung mga nandito? Marami pang iba guys. So marami akong mga finalo. So ayan, mas nakaharap na yung ating camera guys. Medyo unga-unga man ako ang tripod. Well actually guys, so ayun na nga. Ito nga pala guys, pang take 2 na to guys. Kasi nga yung kanina kong video, na-realize ko, hindi pala siya, grabe pala naka-zoom. Kaya yung nakikita lang sa video is yung aking labi. So, yun na nga. Yun na yung mga pinakita ko sa inyo guys, na mga finalo ko ng mga influencer or mga YouTuber. Kasi nga, marami akong mga napapanood sa kanila ng mga learnings and ideas, lahat. So, dito kasi dito sa YouTube guys, dito talaga ako nanood ng mga halos mga longer videos talaga na gusto kong mapanood, like about family, about yung mga a day in my life lang. So yung parang nai-enjoy lang talaga ako guys. And so ganun yung mga ginagawa ko pag me time, pag meron akong me time, lalo na pag nagpapatuyo ako ng buhok, nanonood lang ako ng YouTube, tapos nakakapag-idea ako na parang gusto kong gawin to, gusto kong isama to sa aking mga vlogs, mga ganyan. So, and it's also one of my reason, it's also one of the reason guys is talagang ang dami kong mga natututunan talaga. And minsan kasi guys, gusto kong ma-away sa cellphone ko kasi nga the more kasi pag nasa cellphone talagang sobrang nakatitig. And minsan yung likod ko talagang nakaganyan na habang talagang nakatitig na sa mga napapanood ko sa Facebook, sa kung ano-ano man, like mga iba-ibang ibang mga apps. So, pero pag ano ako guys, pag gusto kong mag-break talaga sa phone, yung ano lang, sa TV na lang. Kasi nga, syempre, malayo ako yung mata ko malayo sa screen. And malaki ang screen din. So, ganyan. And then, yung YouTube lang yung na-access ko dito sa malaking TV. And then, syempre, minsan nakakapanood ako ng mga movie just for me to, ma-avoid, or hindi naman ma-avoid, parang ma-minimize ko lang yung kakahawak sa cellphone. So, yun. And, yeah. So, I'm happy to share with you guys yung mga pinapanood ko. Sino nga ba yung mga channels na mga pinapanood ko. So, napakadami ko. Marami pa akong mga na-follow guys na mga vloggers. Hindi ko lang ma-share talaga sa inyo lahat and all that. But yeah, so if you also want to, if you want to explore, if you want to become a vlogger as well, if you want to do some a day in my life, if you want to get some ideas, manood ka lang din ng mga video sa YouTube, especially kung gusto mo din ma-relax galing sa cellphone. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang naman. Syempre, pwede ka naman gumamit ng phone mo. Pero, iba din yung parang nakaka-relax ka talaga kakahawak sa cellphone. Kasi dito, pag nanonood ka lang sa TV, syempre, di ba, relax ka lang, ganyan. And mag-tea ka lang, tapos, pindot-pindot lang, masyadong malayo ka sa screen. So, ganun lang guys ang ginagawa ko talaga kasi nga minsan masakit yung mata ko. Tawag nito, masyadong malapit sa screen ng phone. Kaya gusto ko din masyadong minimize lang. And yeah, that's it guys for today's today's video. And thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for joining me tonight. And see you in my next video. Bye!